We know how stressful it is for rental property owners to manage everything alone, as the slightest mistake can cause them to lose money and time. To solve that, we've got a list of reviews on the most popular property management software you can get today, ensuring you get started on the right foot. Welcome back, Loopers. It's your host, Andrew Chung. Managing rental properties can be quite stressful, and in this video, we'll take a look at OnSite Property Manager, a web-based platform designed to ease your property management journey. Stick with us till the end, and we'll also highlight 3 compelling alternatives. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video was produced by DoorLoop. Let's start with what OnSite Property Manager is all about. This tool provides landlords and property managers with automation and organization. It lets you calculate fees, track payments, print receipts, and manage both residential and commercial properties effortlessly. And it's user-friendly and accessible anywhere. Now, what sets OnSite apart? Let's dive into the best features. Automatic tasks automate rent, late fees, property taxes, and other recurring charges. Tracking. No more manual tracking of expenses. Upload invoices, print checks, and pull expense reports. Online tenant payments. Tenants can pay online, and the platform transfers the money to your account. Paperless work orders. Process work orders easily and quickly. Moving processes. Simplify moving tenants in or out, or transfer tenants from one property to another. Pretty solid, isn't it? OnSite Property Manager offers 5 different pricing plans, ranging from $6.95 to $99.95 per month, depending on your unit count. And guess what? Every plan gives you full access to OnSite's platform, and they even offer a free trial for each plan. But wait, we've got some alternatives for you. DoorLoop is an all-in-one solution with features like a comprehensive and straightforward tenant portal, the ability to handle rent payments, tenant screenings, maintenance management, and excellent support. Pricing starts at just $49 per month for 20 units. Landlord Studio is great for small portfolios with tenant screening, rent payment, basic reporting, maintenance management, and basic accounting. Pricing includes a free plan that allows you to manage up to 3 units and a pro plan that starts at $15 per month and can manage more than 3 units. TenantCloud offers basic property management tasks. Its features include basic accounting access, vendor payments, and general billing and invoicing. Pricing includes a free plan for up to 75 units and a starter plan which starts at $12 per month and handles up to 150 units. Their best plan is $50 per month for up to 500 units. If you're struggling with your rental properties, these platforms, especially DoorLoop, are here to make your life easier. Curious to see what DoorLoop has to offer? Schedule a free demo to see how it can benefit you. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.